Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dapolkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 25, OV 67. जीवमात्राचे मनोगत बाबास सकळ अवगत वर्तमान भविष्यभूत जैसा करत लग आमलक. Baba was fully aware of the desires of all beings, present, future, past, like an amalak fruit held in the palm. निजभक्ताची भावी स्थिती समस्त ठावी बाबांप्रती कैसे वेळेवर सावध करीती ती स्पष्टोक्ती परिसावी. Baba knew very well the future of his devotee. Listen to how he gave timely warnings and spoke clearly. आपण नाही रे बापू किसमे बाबा देती सूचना प्रेमे व्यापार बरवा साईस न गमे अण्णा शरमे मनात. Bapu, I am not to be involved in anything, Baba informed him lovingly. Sai does not think this transaction to be good, Anna thought and felt ashamed. ऐकुनी हे बाबांचे वचन दामू अण्णास पटली खूण दिधला मनाचा संकल्प सोडून बैसले अधोवदन उगा. Hearing these words of Baba, Damu Anna understood what was meant. He gave up the idea and sat quietly with his head downcast. पुनश्च मनी उठला विचार करू काय दुसरा व्यापार तांदूळ गहू भुसार परिसा प्रत्युत्तर बाबांचे. Again, another idea occurred to him, whether he should do some other business like dealing in rice, wheat and other grains. Listen to Baba's reply. पाच शेर तू घेसील सात शेर ओपिसील परिसुनी हे बाबांचे बोल अंतरी खजील अण्णाते. You will buy 5 seers for a price and sell 7 for the same price. Hearing these words of Baba, Anna felt ashamed. ऐसे कोठे काहीही न घडे जे साईंच्या दृष्टीस न पडे खाली वरती जिकडे तिकडे सर्वत्र उघडे तयास. Thus, nothing ever happened which was not seen by Sai. Everything, everywhere was known to him. येरीकडे त्यांचा स्नेही विचार गहनी पडला पाही काय करावे सुचेना काही उत्तरही नाही अण्णांचे. On the other side, his friend Anna's had troubled thoughts. He did not know what to do. There was even no reply from Anna. तोते शेट पत्र लिहित वृत्तांत घडलेला कळवीत वाचुनी स्नेही विस्मित होत म्हणती कर्मगत विचित्र. Then that Shet wrote and told him all that had happened. His friend was surprised on reading it and thought, strange is fate. काय सौदा चालूनी आला स्वयेच काना विचार केला किमर्थ फकीराचे नादी लागला व्यर्थ मुकला लाभाला. What a wonderful transaction had come our way. Why did he not think for himself instead of dancing attendance on the fakir? He has unnecessarily lost the gains. देव देतो कर्म नेते होणाऱ्यासारखी बुद्धी होते ऐसा चोखा धंदा जेथे फकीर तेथे का भावा. God gives, but we lose by our own actions. The mind stops working when evil days are imminent. Why did this fakir have to come in the way of this clear business?